Hello, welcome once again to our channel. This is the documentary of the job we did in Onitsha, precisely in Shore Life, where we call Mbuka Last Gate. If you are in this location or probably you are in Onitsha, you need to watch this video. And also if you are anywhere in the world, you can see how this job is being carried out. First, this is 5 kV inverter. This is our 5 kV inverter, and this is our 5 kilowatt lithium battery. This system is designed to carry our fridge, our AC, our fans, about 4 fans, then 2 ACs, 1 fridge, and our TV. So with this system, you can control anything in your house. By the design, we have 14 panels available, which we have placed on top of the roof to make sure we harness the energy from the sun. Doing so, we've been able to generate the required wattage that can sustain the load we mentioned. We decided to go off grid because we have enough panel to do them. And permit me to show you the places that it is going to control, because this is already on. If you look at the system, it is already on, and you can learn under us. We can equally execute a project like we did, and our channel is open to train anybody that is willing to learn and ensure we build a community where solar availability and also power stability is maintained. Let me show you the areas where the bulbs are on. You can see the fridge also. So you just use it to enjoy your. So you can't be living in darkness, especially now that we have a particular season that is going on. Look at your TV on, the fan is on. You can actually have anything you feel like. Let's turn on the lights. Lights are on. Okay. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.